a rainbow cake, star donuts, rainbow pasta, and a crunchy cloud. Find out how to make the most delicious treats for unicorns in our new video. Our rainbow unicorn and Bloom are the happiest magical couple. Their love shines with all the colors of the rainbow. They look so cute together. They are even wagging their tails from happiness. Unicorn and Bloom spend all their time together. They love having fun and eating treats more than anything. And sweet popcorn is their favorite snack. In a pot, mix 3½ ounces of sugar, 3/4 ounces of water, and 1½ ounces of liquid corn syrup. Add 5½ ounces of cream and cook the mixture down. Divide the syrup into parts and add different rainbow shades of food coloring. Put the popcorn into the caramel syrup. Thoroughly mix it. Mix the rainbow popcorn in one bowl. Try to catch my homemade popcorn! It tastes like a caramel rainbow, but there's a problem. We ran out of popcorn all of a sudden. Whoops! I want more! Let's go to the kitchen and cook new treats. In the kitchen, Bloom introduces Unicorn to his sister. This is Ruby. Nice to meet you. I am Unicorn. Ruby's at a very awkward age right now, and she loves wearing gloomy colors. Meanwhile, Bloom gets to work. The most important thing in his signature recipe is to not mix up the ingredients. Wildflowers, pink thread, and some caramel candies. Bake it until it's done. Voila! Meet my rainbow sandwiches! Add food coloring to cream cheese. Cover dried bread with the colored cheese. Put on layers in the order that the colors of the rainbow go in. What a beautiful design! My rainbow sandwiches are delicious! How nice! Unicorn, try it! Ruby is the only one who doesn't trust her brother's cooking talents. How can you possibly eat this sandwich? There's no way I'm touching it. It's full of preservatives. And Bloom didn't wash the flowers before cooking. So what are we supposed to eat then, Ruby? Oh, unicorns, you lucked out. There's a real chef in this kitchen. Now I'll cook a great dessert for you. Whip some cream with a mixer. Divide it into parts. Add rainbow food coloring to each. Put the whipped cream into pastry bags. Set up ready cupcakes and shape a rainbow. My cupcakes are done! So what? This is not an unusual recipe. Hang on, the magic is about to start. Ruby is making a huge icing rainbow on the cupcakes. Rainbow stripes appear one after another. And blue clouds. Ta-da! Wow! Good job, Ruby! This is definitely unicorn approved, and it's very tasty. Enjoy! Everyone, have a piece of the rainbow. Yummy! Poor Bloom! He's boiling with jealousy and anger. He found someone who's a better cook than he is. Hey, Bloom, chillax! It's not healthy for unicorns to get angry. The level of cuteness in their blood decreases. Here, drink some water. But his anger makes the water start boiling. Hold on, brother. You should put your anger to use. Boil some water for rainbow pasta. Add food coloring to water in a pot and cook spaghetti in the colored water. You can cook different colors of spaghetti and put them on a plate in the shape of a rainbow spiral. That's it! Enough! Thanks for helping out, Bloom. Our rainbow pasta is done. It smells so nice. Bon appetit! Even to you, angry Bloom. This pasta is so colorful. But Bloom is still mad. This unicorn family is heating up. The brother and sister are fighting over the kitchen. Oh, it's getting way too hot. The first unicorn fight ever is about to start. Hey, Bloom! Take some rainbow ice and cool down your passion. Add rainbow food coloring to soda. Pour it into an ice mold. Fill the whole mold with rainbow colors and put into the freezer. Rainbow ice? Why? Although, Bloom remembers the lesson his father taught him. Always keep a cool head. Thanks, Dad! Putting some ice onto your head is actually nice. Bloom calms down. Ruby, now you try. Rainbow ice will cool down all your hot-headed emotions and thoughts. Daddy Corn probably didn't mean it literally, but the ice worked. Too bad the siblings are still mad at each other. Hey, Unicorn Kids! Who's that up there? Is that Unicorn God? Kids, listen! Bloom, shine bright like a star. And you, Ruby, be light like a cloud. Got it? Yes, Dad! But brother and sister only understand the literal meaning. This unicorn cooking battle will be huge. They are using all the ingredients in the world. Bloom and Ruby are cooking something super unicorny. We can't wait to see what they make. Cut stars out of pre-made yeast dough using a cookie cutter. Fry the donuts in oil. Place the finished donut stars on paper towels to get rid of the excess oil. Melt 3½ ounces of white chocolate glaze. Add food coloring to it. And 1 ounce of warm heavy cream to it. Stir it well and dip the donut into the colored glaze. Wait for the glaze to harden and paint eyes and a mouth using food coloring. Make different shades of donut stars. Bloom made the cutest donuts in the world. These stars are smiling at me. They are so sweet. And Ruby cooked rainbow clouds on sticks. Whip 5 egg whites with a mixer to get thick foam. Gradually add lemon juice, vanilla sugar, and 7 ounces of powdered sugar. Separate the mix and add food coloring. Fill a pastry bag with it. Squeeze round meringues onto a baking tray with parchment paper. Put wooden skewers into them. Bake the meringues in an oven for 4 hours at 160 degrees. Unicorn, check out my clouds! They are so light, fragrant, and crunchy. Would you like a cloud on a stick? Try them all, Unicorn! And my star, too! It's so delicious! Bloom, Ruby, you both won! No way! Each unicorn for themselves! Let's start the second round of the cooking battle. These unicorns are unstoppable. The kitchen is shaking from their talent. Do you need help? Bananas! Hush, here they are. Hey, unicorns don't eat regular bananas. Calm down. I just so happen to have banana spray nearby. Now we can make the bananas into a rainbow. Choose your favorite colors. A banana break. And now we can continue our battle. Time is almost up, and the unicorns are ready to show their creations. This is rainbow Jello. Boil 3 ounces of milk in a pot. Add sugar and vanilla sugar. Add rainbow food coloring to the sweet milk. And add dissolved gelatin. Pour the first layer of colored gelatin into a mold and refrigerate it. Wait for the layer to completely harden, then pour another layer on top. Refrigerate again. Pour in 7 layers of jelly gradually to make a rainbow. What? Did you steal my idea? No, you stole mine. Oh, it looks like Unicorn Dad wants to express a few smart thoughts again. Kids, if you are alone, you are breakable like straws. But together, you are strong. Wow, Dad is right as always. We need to combine our jellies. Then we'll get a big jelly ring. This rainbow jelly represents our friendship. Well, let's join forces for a final masterpiece. We can make something fantastic together. Get the tools ready. Bloom! That's not right. Whoops, sorry. And let's begin. Coat sponge cakes with whipped cream. Put together a bigger cake. Coat the outside of the cake with cream. Even out the layer. Roll out white fondant into a thin layer. Coat the cake with it. Heat up 1 3/4 ounces of marshmallows in a microwave and add 3½ ounces of melted blue chocolate glaze. Stir it quickly before it cools. Stretch out the soft mass. The result is chocolate Play-Doh. Shape it into a tap with a handle. Connect the pieces with chocolate glaze. Put the tap onto a chopstick and put it into the cake. Make rainbow glaze just like we did for the donuts. Put it into pastry bags. Apply the glaze onto the surface of the cake, making sections. Let the glaze drip down the sides. Attach an empty Skittles package on top of the tap. Cover up the chopsticks with glaze. Whoa! This rainbow cake is a real masterpiece! Fantastic! Skittles are pouring straight from the tap. Is that possible? Our friendship really is magic! It's time to taste the cake! One of us likes icing and the other one likes the tap. We did a great job! Bon appetit! Did you like our unicorn food? Then comment below what you would cook. Star donuts, a cupcake rainbow, or an amazing cake? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new unicorn ideas from Troom.